If you are unable to access your Zelle account due to lost verification codes, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Zelle website. Go to the official Zelle website or open the Zelle app on your mobile device. Look for the option to log in or access your account. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. On the login page, find and click on the Forgot Password link. This will initiate the account recovery process. Step 3. Provide account information. Enter the required information such as your email address or phone number associated with your Zelle account. Make sure the information is accurate to avoid delays. Step 4. Choose recovery options. Since you do not have access to verification codes, look for alternative recovery options. This may include answering security questions or receiving a recovery link via email. Step 5. Follow instructions. Once you receive the recovery link or answer the security questions, follow the instructions provided to reset your password and regain access to your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Zelle customer support for further assistance.